Hey, you want to listen to Beers, Jack of Barbecue? Check out the chicken wings we did on the Mesa Monument 420. Hey, I'm Craig, Mammy Honey Cameras Jack. Yeah, I got some Bell & Evans, actually a party pack. It's a pretty big size pack here, a bunch, 25 wings I bet in here. We got the Monument grills, gas grill set up to do just kind of a fast and easy medium high cook till the wings are done. We kind of like them a little bit crispy, so I'll probably take them into the 180s before I pull them off. And then all I like to really do with wings is toss them in some red hot. To me, that's a great wing for me. So that's the plan. So let's get them on the grill. All right, let's get the wings on. I just had them blotted dry with some paper towels and just gonna throw them on. I'll worry about flipping as they start getting cooked. Jack and I are both wing fans, so not too concerned if any gonna go to waste here. I don't know about tonight, but good leftover. All right. Bring it back as we keep cooking these. All right, got a little bit of flaming action happening here, so we'll start. All right, keep them going. All right, let's do another flip again. All right, maybe next time I'll check a few temperatures depending on how everything looks. All right, we'll take a quick reading. Like I said, I think we're going to be getting close on some of these. That's in the 180s, 190s, 200. Still going to flip one more time. Like I said, we like them done pretty hard here, so got to make sure all the other sides get a little bit more color. And then we'll be pulling them off. Won't be long. All right, another 4 or 5 minutes here, or 3 minutes, I should say, and we're going to pull them off. All right, let's pull them off. I don't know if I mentioned it right at the beginning, but I won't show you on camera, but I'm going to toss these in red hot, and then we'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Just some quick and fast chicken wings. Bell & Evans chicken wings on the Monument Mesa 420. It's actually called 420B because of the black color of the grill. But just did a big jumbo pack of wings. And again, we like them a little bit more crispy. So you saw we were getting 190s, 200s for these. That's perfectly fine. Nothing was burned at all in any way, and it's not going to be dried out because chicken wings are fatty. So it's going to be a good one. Did just toss them in a bunch of red hot, and that's the way I like them. Jack likes them that way too. So see what we did here. Got a crispy one. Yeah, had a little crunch on that skin from, you know, getting them done as hard as we did. But still nice and juicy and tender wing, just almost fall off the bone there. Just the right amount of red hot, which they'll even get better as they soak in a little bit more red hot here. So hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.